Hey there, it's Olga with Kia of Everett Service. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule a service appointment online. The first step is to search Kia of Everett. Select the service and parts and schedule appointment. Here I would punch in my phone number and select the vehicle that I would like to service. Here we have 3 packages. We have basic, value, and premium. We recommend the value package. Add that to cart. And then here I would include any other services that I would like to add. And then I would select an appointment time and date. Here I would pick the day, select morning, evening, or afternoon, and then confirm my information and just hit schedule. Here I'm scheduled for next week. And that's how you schedule an online service appointment. It's simple, easy, and fun. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.